Attention, easily, okay, beta. First, we will do some action words like this. Roll your hands. Roll your hands. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Stop. Okay, now hands. Start clapping. Start clapping. Stop. Hands down. Hands in the waist. Keep your hands on your waist. Start jumping. Jumping, jumping, and speak like this. I am jumping. I am jumping. Stop. Wiggle your fingers. Make a fish with your hands. Okay, now tell me, where does fish live?